What is up, everybody? Jose Ortiz here from PetRockMedia.com, and today we are unboxing the latest Marvel Collector Corp box, courtesy of Amazon, the Fantastic Four box that was just received here for the month of January. Let's take a look at it. Okay, everybody, so if you're new to the channel and you're interested in content such as this, along with video games, cinematography, photography, and so forth, then this is the channel for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon so you will be notified each and every time we post videos like this or go live. So today we're taking a look at the Marvel box, Collector Corp box with Fantastic Four items, which was released at the end of January. So I know it's a little late, we're a little bit late, but let's take a look at what's inside regardless. So you'll see we have the other camera right here. And you'll see it's a pretty nice box. Some people like to collect the boxes as well. I really don't, but you know, it does have some pretty cool things in it. And again, you'll see it says Fantastic Four. We open it up, and what's cool about these is that they will kind of tell you what's going to be coming next in the next boxes. So this one shows what the next, and I know it's kind of hard to see with that camera right there, but I'll show you guys over here as well. It is the Marvel Infinity Saga box, and it says right there, courtesy of Amazon, or available at Amazon. So first thing we'll take a look at is the shirt. Now, you don't always get a shirt, but in this particular box, you do. And it looks like it's an old school looking Fantastic Four shirt. That looks pretty cool right there. Kind of see everybody that's on there, kind of pop figure, so to speak. Looks like you get a sticker. Right, pretty cool. Put the camera over here as well. Pretty nice sticker. And it looks like we get a few pops in this particular box. So let's go ahead and get these out. Try to get them out without dropping them. Oh. You get a Dr. Doom pin. If I can get it to focus. There we go. Pretty cool little pin there. And let's get these Fantastic Four pops out of the box. So you get a Mr. Fantastic. And get that to focus right there. I'm gonna check it out right here as well. Cool right there. And then you also get the Human Torch, which was the sticker as well. There. And it glows in the dark, as you can tell. Pretty cool. And it kind of shows you the other pops that are available. Put it right there. There you go. Now, I don't really like to unbox my pops. I like to keep them here. And plus, right now, we're in temporary living spaces since we are in an apartment. So there's really no reason for me to unbox those. Actually, let me put these over here, since we're going to be moving here pretty quickly. But there you go. There's the unboxing. Again, the newest box that will come out in March. It says right there, March theme. The way these subscription boxes work is that they are every other month. So we got January, skip February, and then for March, this will be the theme right here, Infinity Saga. That's going to be interesting to see. And then, of course, on the back of the card, it shows you everything that was in this particular box. The t-shirt, the two pops, the pin, and the decal. Thank each and every one of you for stopping on by. That was a quick unboxing of the latest Marvel Collector Corp box, courtesy on Amazon.com. I will leave a link down below on how to subscribe. It's not an affiliate link. I'm just trying to help you guys out. If you're interested in subscribing, definitely take advantage of that. Once again, guys, this is Jose Ortiz from PetRockMedia.com. Again, if you enjoy content such as this, along with photography, cinematography, and so forth, hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon. This is, again, Jose Ortiz with PetRockMedia.com. Signing out. Peace.